So this is what happens when you think you're better with a palm router than you actually are. I did a whole video on putting this together and it failed. I absolutely hate it. So now I need to put a new top on my assembly table and try again. I could have easily just done a whole new video and not shown this at all and looked perfect, but I didn't want to do that because there's too many people out there that don't show their mistakes, and I feel like that's part of learning. I was worried about messing up my assembly top and having to spend $50 on another top like I did here. But it is what it is, and I'll show you guys how to do it correctly this time. Now that I got my new top down, gotta get it all marked out, get it perfectly square with the top and not crooked, because that would be absolutely terrible. Because I did spend like $50 to replace the top on this. Not that I didn't already need it, but it sucked to have to do that again. Just gonna secure the plate down, make sure it doesn't move while I draw it out. Make sure you set your depth on your router so that blade is just a little bit deeper than the plate. Here I'm marking it out an inch in so the plate has something to sit on, because I'm going to cut out the middle there for the router to come up into. So here I went ahead and put in some guide pieces so I can get nice straight lines. That's what I didn't do the first time. That's why I had to replace my whole top, because it was not great. I'm not that guy. I cannot cut out a perfect square. Thought I couldn't, but these things made it so much better, especially when you're removing all this material for the plate to sit on with your palm router. Just makes it go so much faster. You can't really mess it up when you have those guide pieces in. Drilling out some holes so I can get my jigsaw in here to get the center cut out where my router is going to come up into the plate. Plate's looking pretty good, but the router did not fit fully in there, so I had to make some more room. So there we go, looking good. Just a little bit more. Boom, router is installed right there. Plate is looking freaking nice. This wasn't the hardest project in the world. Definitely a little nerve-wracking, but well worth it. I cannot wait to use my router on this table. This is only part one. I have a second part where I'll be adding in the fence and the guard. Thanks for watching. That was a lot easier to install than I thought, even though I did mess it up and have to redo my whole top. But it is what it is. I hope if you are wanting to build something and you're hesitant to do it, just do it. Sometimes you do mess up and sometimes you have to fix your mistakes, but in the end, I mean, I'm so happy I finally have it there. Been over a year I've had that stuff, all the supplies to do that, and I haven't done it. And finally, you guys motivated me to do more. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm excited for part two and getting that fully operational. It's gonna be pretty cool. Got a lot more coming, a lot more shop upgrades and cool builds. If there's anything specific you guys want to see, let me know, because I'd be glad to build it or at least try. Have a good night. Subscribe and like. Thanks.